With the latest technology, Rosher Plumbing in Miami will solve your leak detection and location problem. Call now at 305-253-0405. Using our Sewerin AquaTest T10, we will detect, locate, and repair any leak in Miami. Be it a commercial building or residential building, Rosher Plumbing in Miami can do the job. Call us at 305-253-0405, or you can check us out on the web at www.dickrosherplumbingofmiami.com to view our other services or to fill out an emergency request form. Our leak detection services include cracked, eroded, or collapsed cast iron pipes, freshwater leaks, sewer leaks, and other unique leak types.